Welcome to our Procreate Tips and Hacks video, where we will be sharing tips and hacks that we currently use on Procreate to help make your digital art experience more enjoyable. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this. One way of increasing student engagement during remote learning or to increase your social media interaction is to create your own digital or social media templates. Procreate is perfect for this. You can create so many paper designs in so many different colors and styles using this software. In this video I will show you how to create this ombre effect and how you could use it. Keep watching to see more. Select your canvas size and your brush. I am using the monoline brush from the calligraphy set. Decide on the colors that you want to use when creating this effect and place them onto your color palette. On layer 1, drag your first color onto this layer. Add another layer to this canvas and use a different color to draw a line, and then drag the color onto this layer. Add another layer and repeat this process with all the colors in your color palette. Once you have covered your canvas, merge all the layers together by pinching the layers together on the screen. This will form one single layer. Now go over to the wand tool and select the Gaussian blur function to blur and blend these colors. This will create an ombre effect. Don't forget to save these canvases. Remove the Gaussian blur effect by double tapping on the screen. Now go back to the wand tool and select the liquefy function to create this marble effect. When this effect is complete, save this and airdrop all these images into the Keynote software for the next step. Open Keynote and select your screen size. Make sure that you have airdropped your images onto your computer. Decide on your titles and select the text icon, and create these. Then click on the Text Color tab and select the Image Fill tab. Then click on Choose to select your Procreate art image. Select the image that you want to use. Repeat this process for each title. Add in some shadows and borders to your titles, and your titles are ready to use. You could even create writing frames and digital templates with this artwork. Insert your Procreate art onto the slide, then select the Shape tool and add in some rectangles onto the slide. Change the color to white and add in some shadows and borders, and your templates are ready to use. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to see more videos like this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to see more videos like this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.